Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are riding through the vibrant streets of Jaipur and I thought we'd talk about something a bit different. The hidden math and science behind our daily traffic chaos. Look at this intersection. Seems like pure chaos, right? But there's actually some complex math at play here. This is what scientists call a complex adaptive system. Each driver, including me on my Ninja, is making split second decisions based on what everyone else is doing. Now, check this out. This narrow lane is a perfect example of game theory in action. It's like a real life prisoner's dilemma. Both I and that oncoming car have two choices: yield or go for it. If we both try to go, we'll get stuck. If we both yield, we are wasting time. The ideal outcome is for one to go and one to yield. But how do we decide? This is why you see that moment of hesitation and then sudden movement. Traffic signals are all about queue theory and optimization. They are trying to maximize flow across all directions. But in Jaipur, we often create our own optimization by squeezing into any available space. And of course, no discussion of Jaipur traffic is complete without our bovine friends here. They add a wonderful element of randomness to our traffic equations. In mathematical terms, they are like random variables in our traffic function. So, next time you're stuck in traffic, remember you're not just in a jam, you're a part of a massive real time math problem being solved by thousands of people simultaneously. It's frustrating, sure, but it's also pretty fascinating when you think about it. Alright, that's it for today's ride and math lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what other aspects of our daily life you'd like me to break down on our next ride. Until next time, ride safe and stay curious.